How to add a credit card to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a credit card to Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application. This is the homepage of the app where you will see sections that you can use to access different sections of the app. From there, proceed and tap the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, there are several sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. After that, make sure you scroll down and come to this section named Account and Settings. Under the section, Other Options can help you manage and make changes to the settings of the app. After that, proceed and tap this option here named Linked Banks. This will take you to this page where you will see a list of all the banks and cards that are linked or you have linked to your Cash App account. From there, make sure you tap this option named Link Debit Card. After that, this page will appear where there are various fields that you are supposed to fill with information, such as your credit card details. Make sure you enter this information clearly and avoid making any mistakes. After that, ensure you check carefully if this information is correct, and then tap here and the card will be linked to your Cash App account. If this does not work for you, then make sure you come back to the main settings page. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen. From the options that are here, ensure you tap this one here named Support. Please wait for the page to finish loading. After that, you will see this page that has different sections that you can use to get access to help and support. Make sure you scroll down to the bottom of the page just like you can see. After that, go to this section named Contact Us. Under it, there is an option named Chat. Make sure you tap on it. This is the feedback box of the Cash App where you are supposed to type a short message explaining the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly. After that, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. That is how to add a credit card to Cash App.